Hello and welcome to episode 9 of Cloud Tech 10 for the 8th of May 2017. I'm Mark and I'm going to tell you the latest news about Microsoft Azure from the past week in 10 minutes or less. Azure Network Watcher is now generally available in all public regions. Network Watcher enables you to monitor, diagnose and visualize network activity to, from and within Azure. To begin using Network Watcher, first you enable the regions where your Azure resources are located. With Network Watcher, you can access a graphical overview of network topology. The topology information can also be retrieved using PowerShell. You can also view information about the usage of network-related resources within your Azure subscription and see the current limits in place. You can enable flow logging for specified network security groups. This will record logs to a storage account. The logs are in JSON format and show outbound and inbound flows with source and destination IP addresses and ports, the protocol used and whether access was allowed or denied. The data can easily be exported to other tools, and there's also a Power BI template available which creates a dashboard showing your network security group data. The IP flow verify feature can be used to test the operation of a network security group and verify whether inbound or outbound packets to or from specified hosts are allowed or denied. You will see information about the rule that allowed or denied the packet. Next hop helps with diagnosing routing issues and can be particularly helpful when user-defined routes have been configured and may not be behaving as expected. Security Group View shows you the security rules in place for a specified virtual machine, allowing you to see the effective inbound and outbound rules, or specifically view the rules set at the subnet or network interface level, or view the default rules. Finally, the Packet Capture Facility lets you track traffic to and from virtual machines, which can be used to help diagnose network issues, collect network statistics, or debug application communication problems. The on-premises data gateway is now generally available. The gateway makes it possible to utilize data from on-premises data sources with cloud-based Azure services. The gateway currently works with Azure Logic Apps, Power BI, Power Apps, and Microsoft Flow, with support for Azure Analysis Services coming shortly. The gateway uses Azure Service Bus and encrypted channels to relay data between on-premises and cloud services. All traffic originates as secure outbound traffic from the gateway agent. The gateway supports connections to BizTalk Server, DB2, file systems, Infomix, MQ, MySQL, Oracle databases, PostgreSQL, SAP application and message servers, SharePoint over HTTP, SQL Server, and Teradata. Azure SQL Database Premium Elastic Pools now have more storage available, with the pools of 1500 eDTUs and over getting an increase. Previously, the maximum amount of pool storage was 750 gigabytes, but now this ranges from 1.5 terabytes to 4 terabytes depending on the pool size chosen. Initially, this increased storage is available in the East US 2, West US, West Europe, Southeast Asia, Japan East, Australia East, Canada Central, and Canada East regions, with more regions coming soon. All new databases created in Azure SQL Database will now have encryption at rest enabled by default. Transparent Data Encryption provides encryption at rest protection for database storage, including data files, log files, and backups. This feature has been available for a couple of years now and previously needed to be enabled explicitly. However, as of now, this feature will be enabled by default. If necessary, the feature can still be disabled after a database has been deployed. This can be done through the Transport Data Encryption tab in the portal. Azure SQL Database Threat Detection is now generally available. Threat detection looks for unusual or potentially harmful attempts to access or exploit databases. The feature can be enabled using PowerShell or through the Azure portal by clicking on Auditing and Threat Detection. With auditing enabled, the options for threat detection will become available. The types of threats detected can be configured, as well as email addresses to which alerts will be sent when suspicious activity occurs. Consumption and charge APIs are now available in preview for Enterprise Azure customers. The APIs make it easy to get access to cost information so that organizations can have better visibility and control over their Azure spending. The APIs include the Balance and Summary API, which provides a monthly summary of balances, purchases, and Azure Marketplace charges. The Usage Details API gives a daily breakdown of consumed resources and estimated charges. The Marketplace Charges API lets you see usage-based charges for Azure Marketplace purchases. The Price Sheet API provides rates for meters. And the Billing Periods API returns a list of billing periods that have consumption data available, along with details of API routes to drill down into more detailed information. Support for enabling and configuring Azure CDN from Azure Web Apps and storage accounts has been added to the Azure portal. Simply select the appropriate app service web app, type CDN into the search box, and you'll see the option for CDN under networking. From here, you can create new CDN endpoints or access existing ones. Or from a storage account, either type CDN into the search box or scroll down to the Blob Service section and choose Azure CDN. That's all for Cloud Tech 10 this week. Don't forget, tell your friends, like, share, and subscribe, or follow me on Twitter. I'll see you next week. Cheers for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter for more.